Welcome to Mountain View Television, MVTV. Today, we're going to be showcasing the best products to use on your construction project. Brett, tell us about what you're holding there and that little very important piece of metal.
Well, Devin, what you've got is the standard threshold on a 3070T that's 3/4 inches tall, and it has that A-frame track that we were talking about. Most manufacturers say, here's this system, and weatherproofing it and installing it is up to you. Fleetwood takes a different position. They provide this extruded aluminum sillpan that goes underneath the threshold. And when it goes underneath the threshold and gets tied into the weather barrier system, now this is positive drainage, and what they're concerned about is giving something that is not going to have problems down the line. And they are so emphatic about it that they actually have a disclaimer that if you don't take the sillpan with it, you don't have a warranty.
Yeah, because they've tested and know how this works. So let's talk through the critical path as far as the first thing you do is a sillpan, right?
Yeah, in our most installations we would have the sillpan directly on the subfloor material. Then we would use weatherproofing materials to cover that and transition it into the building envelope. Then the threshold, as part of the installation, is actually set into a bed of sealant around the perimeter of this track. This is 3/4 of an inch tall, just like the track, and so if water hits the doors and is coming down into the threshold system, it naturally diverts out through weep holes in the front of the threshold. This prevents any moisture from getting in and damaging your interior building structure.
Is that all those parts and pieces that you talked about, is that something Mountain View can help with?
Mountain View are complete experts in the Fleetwood product line and all of the pieces and parts that go along with it. So yes, absolutely, we're the experts to help you with that.
So as being the best supplier of windows, doors, and hardware to contractors, architects, and designers in Colorado, our logistics team will also take all these parts and pieces and install it to the prepped rough opening. Architects, let's work together to spec this baby. Thanks for watching. I want more. Click on the pictures and you'll get more.